welcome to my vlog. Ay, our vlog. So, nagbabalik kami ngayon.
Because, nagkaroon kami ng sunburn.
Bakit mo pa sinabi?
Kaya mo na,
Share ka ng share. So, may pa-challenge ako sa kanya. Alam mo na ba yung... Ay, basta, may pa-challenge ako sa kanya, guys. Ayan o, may tapakan dyan. First level. So, kailangan mo makagawa ng cake sa paraan na mahahanap mo.
hanapin ko?
Oo. Mga ingredients ng ano, ng... try mo mag-crafting. Tingnan mo kung ano yung mga ingredients ng ano. Cake. Sulat mo cake. Challenging.
3 milk.
Milk.
Ito, sugar. Dalawang sugar. 1 itlog at 3 wheat.
Hanapin mo. Nakuha niya.
Egg.
Egg. May mga kakaiba dyan, baka mahanap mo.
Ayun!
Ha!
Ano ko ito kukain?
Pwede mo sirain. Oh. Naantay na lang kita dito. Tamang chill lang tayo dito, guys. Haha.
Oh, 3 sugar.
Napasobra ako ng isang sugar.
So, paano yung milk? Kulang tayo ng isang milk.
Hanapin mo. May isa ka pang hindi nahanap. That was so close.
Ayun!
Kala ka hindi mo makikita.
Pa!
Okay. First level, check. Diba ang dali lang?
Yeah.
So, next level tayo. Ay, wait lang, may nakalimutan ako. So, dahil napasa mo, nakagawa ka ng cake, this is a lever for you. Pour the lever there.
Thank you.
Okay? Pull it up.
Wait lang.
So, lever ulit na hahanapin mo dyan. Hahanapin mo yung lever. Oh my gosh. I think it was so close for you. Or that was easy. You found. That was so easy, right? Pa-English pa.
Aray! Aray!
Oo. Yan.
The hell is this?
That's a was a berries. Okay, she found it. The last level. Maghahanap ka ng mga ingredients ulit.
4?
Basta pag may nahanap ka mga ingredients. Okay.
Yun.
What is it?
It's sweet.
Okay. May clue ka na isa.
What is this ba?
Wow! Anong pwede mong gawin dyan? Ilan yung nakuha mong gold? Isa. Ito
Golden
yung...
apple.
Wow! That was so close. Oh, 9.
What?
Wait lang. Ito ah. Huli mo to. What did you get? Then,
Yun.
give me that.
Wow.
Why? Give me that.
I'm gonna eat this.
No, I'm gonna eat that.
Oh.
Ito na yung last level.
This is it?
Yes.
So easy, bro.
Tomorrow, I'm gonna... Uy, wala na dyan sa labas.
Saan ako lalabas?
Dito, meron pa dito. Ang dami mo pang gagawin.
Ano pang gagawin ko?
Hanapin mo pa yung isa.
Lucid,
Okay. Ayan, di ba may nakuha ka?
Oh.
Ano yung gagawin mo dyan?
Marami pwedeng bundle.
Hindi, i-craft mo dito. I-craft mo. Patingin.
What?
Bed, no.
Okay.
Yan! That was so perfect. No. Did you get it? One only.
Okay. I get this. I'm gonna eat it.
Here. When you eat it, come here.
Right?
Tabi. Tabi.
Ay!
Get it.
Whoa!
You're one now.
Huh?
Panalo ka na. So this is up and the vlog. Ang dali lang, no? Diba?
Yeah.
That was so easy. Bukas, meron ulit kami vlog. Abangan nyo. Bye-bye!
Bye!
Huwag nyo kakalimutan mag-subscribe, like, and comment kung gusto nyo pa ng iba't ibang videos namin. Bye-bye!